With 29 calories per 100 grams, lemon is one of the least caloric fruits. This citrus is therefore ideal to keep the line, and in addition, it is very rich in nutrients and vitamins, essential elements for the health and the proper functioning of the body. Lemon is also a detoxifying and draining fruit, which allows you to lose weight and get rid of all the impurities in the body. Another advantage. It acts as a natural diuretic, facilitating thereby the elimination of toxins through the digestive system, kidneys and bladder. Rich in pectin, lemon also has an appetite suppressant effect, pushing you to eat less. By eating less, you will reduce your caloric intake and automatically lose weight. This appetite suppressant will also help you to say stop to your nibbling, a bad habit synonymous with weight gain. The high vitamin C content of lemon is also beneficial for thinning because it promotes fat metabolism. Lemon juice is also a very good natural fat burner. This is due to its richness in antioxidants, which increases the metabolism and therefore your energy expenditure. Result: the storage of fat is limited. Finally, lemon juice is beneficial for digestion. Its fibers facilitate the intestinal transit. In addition to helping us keep the line, lemon is a citrus fruit with many health benefits. Indeed, its wealth of vitamin C and antioxidants boosts the immune system, prevents certain disorders such as high blood pressure or cholesterol. The antiviral and antiseptic side of this citrus fruit is effective for sore throats and colds.